If you're buying a home for the first time, then this is for you. But first, congratulations! This is a big step you're taking, and I'll bet you have a slew of questions, and that's perfectly normal. And what's more, I've got your back. In this video, I'll be discussing the minimum credit score required for first-time home buyers in 2023. I'll be walking you through what the magic number is, how it affects you, and most importantly, how to get it if you need to. So, if you're ready to take the next step towards owning your first home, then sit tight for the ride. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Andy from Credit Sage, the answer to all of your credit needs. Now, with over 3,000 reviews with a 4.9 out of 5 Trustpilot rating, we're the right guys to help you tick off each one of your financial goals. Now, today, I'm pumped to get you in on the road to being a homeowner. I've got a bunch of great tips you're gonna need, so let's get straight to it. Now, when you're applying for a mortgage, your credit score isn't the only factor lenders consider, but is a major one. You've got to know where your credit stands. That's the first step to using it to your advantage to secure the best possible mortgage rate while shopping for your dream home. So we'll start here. What's a credit score? Why does it even matter? And what's the minimum credit score you need to buy your first home? Simply put, a credit score is a 3-digit number that lenders use to evaluate your credit worthiness. It's based on several factors, including your payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, and types of credit used. The most commonly used credit scoring models are FICO and VantageScore, and they typically range from 300 to 850. A score above 670 is generally considered good, while a score above 740 is considered excellent. Now, what's interesting though is that you don't need a super high score to buy a home. The minimum credit score needed for most mortgages is typically around 620. However, this varies from lender to lender, so there aren't exactly good or bad credit scores. Now, here's a breakdown of the minimum credit scores required for some of the most common types of mortgages. FHA loans. The Federal Housing Administration insures loans issued by approved lenders and has more lenient credit score requirements than conventional loans. Now, while the exact minimum credit score required varies by lender, most require a score of at least 580 to qualify for an FHA loan with a 3.5% down payment. Borrowers with scores between 500 and 579 may still be eligible, but they'll need to make a larger down payment of at least 10%. VA loans, Veterans Affairs loans, are available to eligible veterans, active duty military personnel, and their spouses. VA loans don't have a specific minimum credit score required, but most lenders look for a score of at least 620. However, some lenders may consider borrowers with lower scores on a case-by-case basis. Conventional loans are not insured by the government and therefore typically have stricter credit score requirements than FHA and VA loans. Most lenders require a minimum credit score of 620 for a conventional loan, but some may require higher scores depending on factors such as the borrower's debt-to-income ratio and down payment amount. So as you can see, different scores go with different lenders, but it's best to target a score of 620. Another option is to consider a USDA loan, which is specifically designed to provide financing for rural properties. These loans require 0% down payment, which can be a significant advantage for first-time home buyers who may be struggling to save up for a down payment. In addition to these options, many states offer first-time home buyer assistance programs. These programs can vary by state, but they often offer down payment assistance, lower interest rates, and other benefits to help you purchase your first home. Each lender may have its unique requirements, so as a first-time home buyer, the best loan for you depends on your personal financial situation. So it's good to shop around and compare different loan options to find the one that best fits your needs and your budget. Working with a knowledgeable lender can also help you navigate the home buying process and find the right loan for you. Now, getting back to credit scores. The higher your credit score, the better your credit worthiness is considered by lenders. Lenders use it to determine whether you're eligible for a loan and what interest rates you'll be charged. A higher credit score is a sign of financial responsibility and demonstrates to lenders that you are a low-risk borrower. Now, this can improve your chances of being approved for a mortgage, and it may also help you secure a better interest rate, which can save you thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. In addition, a higher credit score can help you qualify for more loan options, which gives you greater flexibility and control over the term of your mortgage. Now, on the other hand, if you have a low credit score, you may face challenges getting approved for a loan and may be offered higher interest rates, making your monthly payments more expensive. It's important to understand the impact your credit score can have on your mortgage application and take steps to improve it if necessary to increase your chance of securing a favorable loan. Now, fortunately, I can help you there. You're going to want to improve your credit score so you can get the best deals and smooth sailing to your dream home. I'll tell you how, but as a heads up, it can get overwhelming. So the best way to go really is to hand it over to the professionals like us, Credit Sage. It's our job to understand the ins and outs of credit management so you don't have to. By reaching out to us, you can take the stress out of the process and focus on the other aspects of becoming a homeowner. Our experts know how to improve your credit score and give it the boost it needs to help you hit your target goal. Just give us a call, and you'll see our number in the description below, and we'll take it from there. Now, if you want to handle it yourself, here's how. First things first, get a copy of your credit report. You can get one free every 12 months from each of the 3 major credit bureaus. Review your credit report carefully and look for errors or inaccuracies that could be dragging down your credit score. If you find any errors, dispute them with the credit bureau. Okay, so this next point is the most important factor in your credit score, your payment history. Now remember, the whole point of a credit score is to prove that you're trustworthy with borrowed funds and won't default on payments. So it makes sense that late payments can have a significant impact on your score. As such, make sure to pay your bills on time. You can set up automatic payments or reminders to help you ensure that you don't miss any payments. Another way to improve your score is to reduce your credit utilization. This means keeping the amount of credit that you use compared to the credit limit that you have, and keep it under 30% is a good target. If you have high balances, work on paying them down as much as possible. You want to avoid applying for new credit if you're planning to apply for a mortgage soon. Each time you apply for credit, it generates a hard inquiry on your credit report, which can temporarily lower your score. Also, keep old accounts open, even if you don't use them. I know this sounds strange, but it'll improve your credit history. Lenders look at your credit history to assess your eligibility, so keeping old accounts open, if you can really help with that. Finally, consider a credit builder loan or secured credit card if you're struggling to build credit. These can help you build credit by making small monthly payments that are reported to your credit bureaus. I know this is a lot to take in, especially in a brief amount of time. So if you'd rather have someone else handle it for you, once again, contact us here at Credit Sage. It's always here and available for you. As I said, you can just give us a phone call. We offer a phone consultation for free where you can share your unique credit needs with one of our financial specialists. That way, you can be sure our services will be tailored to suit your situation. It only takes a few minutes and a couple of bureau reports to sign up with us. And with that, you're on the road to financial freedom and a great new house. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by hitting the like and subscribe button for our channels and look for videos. New videos out every week. Thanks for watching.